Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Marriott's Waiohai Beach Club. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a bar. This beach resort has self-catering rooms, a spa and an outdoor pool with ocean views. It offers laundry facilities. Kiahuna Golf Club is a 5-minute drive away. All rooms are air-conditioned and have modern bedding including a pull-out sofa bed. Each one is equipped with cable TV and a DVD player or VCR is provided upon request. Marriott's Waiohai Beach Club's rooms have a well-equipped kitchen fitted with a dishwasher, microwave and variety of kitchen utensils. Each accommodations has a small dining area. Guests can enjoy healthy snacks and salads at the marketplace. A variety of light dishes and drinks are available at the Honu Bar. Marriott's Waiohai Beach Club is 3 miles from Spouting Horn Park. The beachside activities at Shipwreck Beach is a 5-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.